Hey you guys, and welcome back to FreeTechTV. I thank you guys for tuning back here today. I was just scrolling around like I do online on the trending page of YouTube, like I'm sure a lot of you guys check out during the day, and I came across something that I just thought was interesting enough to show you. So here we have the YouTube trending page, and we have PlayStation 5 unboxing by Gamespot, posted 11 hours ago. Gamespot, 11 hours ago, PlayStation 5 unboxing. So we see that it has approximately 130,000 views within those 11 hours. However, if we go to MKBHD, we see the same time 11 hours ago, literally same time, 11 hours ago, 5 million views versus 130,000 views. Now my question is, why does MKBHD not get the trending page of YouTube? 5 million views in the same time GameSpot has 130,000. How does that make sense? Somebody let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel, new tech videos coming out every week, and with that you guys, I'll see you guys in the comment section and in the next video. Peace. But really, how does that happen? 5 million views, 11 hours. Trending page, GameSpot, 130,000 views, 11 hours. Somebody please explain to me.